October rain, no pain, it's falling slow. And the joy that once held all my love is now below. And the dreams I dreamt on a brighter day don't shine like you see. 'Cause when it came through my prison, I still need you. And I think about the future, and I get anxious of all the things that I can't be sure of, that I can control it, every little thing between. If I lost you, I'd lose everything. In the city streets, there are those I meet on a journey. To be someone, to be spoken of, wrote down history. But when the striving saves his soul away in all security, I would like to say that there's a better way to chase your dream. 'Cause I think about the future, and I get anxious of all the things.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing.